The WildDrone project is about co-development, drone technology, and AI to address one of the biggest challenges of Iceland, the biodiversity crisis. Animals are becoming extinct all over the world, and we need more information about what is this that endangers them and how we can protect them in order to be able to address this crisis. It's really hard to get precise information about biodiversity needs. With drones, we can have much more coverage of this. It's a European project, but we also have a significant focus on Africa, in particular work in Kenya and in Namibia. And across all of these locations, the idea is to use drones to collect information at a much larger scale than we've seen before, to provide valuable information to stakeholders. This could be policymakers who need to make decisions about what to do in the future, and it could be rangers who are trying to protect endangered animals in a local conservatory. The most exciting thing for me in the WildDrone project is how we have a network of 13 PhDs from very different areas, and we want them to work together to produce new kinds of solutions that people hadn't thought about before. And their goal is to work together as a network to provide solutions for conservation ecology. There's a significant lack of precise information of this nature that tells us something about something as basic as which geographical areas are important for a given species. They desperately need drones to help to protect the animals that they have there. There's definitely a feeling of we need to do something and let's do it together. And it's been incredibly encouraging both to see the kinds of problems they face and how they're fighting to save those animals, and seeing how much of a difference just a little bit of drone technology could actually make in a place like that.
Being coordinator of a Marie Curie network has given my career a massive boost by improving my international network, both in my own area of science and in other disciplines such as biology, and has given me significant experience in leading large and complex interdisciplinary research projects.